Good afternoon. I'm Sharon Benchow coming to you from my home studio, aka my dining room. You have been listening to Governor Abbott taking questions about his anticipated executive order later this week on getting Texas back to work. He is stressing that only businesses that do not impact the COVID-19 spread will be considered. And his remarks this morning begin our top 3 headlines on coronavirus. Number 1, he just announced that the state and other partners like Goldman Sachs will commit $50 million in loans to small businesses impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. And the first wave of federal stimulus checks hitting bank accounts, according to the IRS, direct deposits started coming in over this weekend. And the U.S. has over 500,000 confirmed cases and over 22,000 deaths. The University of Washington model now predicting the number of active cases will peak on or about next Monday. That peak is critical, a critical milestone for medical resource demand. And we've got a live picture now at Cullen Middle School, where United Memorial Medical Center and Representative Sheila Jackson Lee just opened their newest testing site in Houston. This one is on Scott Street near 610 South for those with symptoms or exposure. Legacy Community Health also offering free testing. County and city parks, bike trails all reopened after the Easter weekend closure, and our Janelle Ford shows us the reopening.
Well, Sherman, this afternoon, the once barren Harris County parks and trails are now back buzzing with people who are using these outside spaces for much needed physical and mental exercise during this very difficult time. The public amenities reopened at dawn after being closed as a precautionary measure to discourage gatherings over the holiday weekend. Local leaders say the crackdown worked. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner says he even spent time Saturday checking to see if people were following the rules.
And I'm pleased to say it's like 99% compliance. When you go to Memorial Park, for example, it's one of the busiest parks in the country. But when you go to Memorial Park today, it's almost like a ghost town.
Now, certain parts of city parks will remain closed, though. Playgrounds, basketball courts, and exercise equipment are all still off limits. And with so many people flooding public parks as an escape during these unprecedented times, local leaders want to remind everyone that the park's reopening doesn't mean the threat is over. And they are urging visitors to continue following CDC guidelines on social distancing and personal hygiene. Back to you.
And HISD is doing its part, helping to give out food to students in need. There are 25 sites across the district. 5 sites or 5 campuses a day are operating, distributing 500 bags of food per day. Now, these are open at different times, different places around the city, so make sure you check with HISD.org. Of course, HISD's primary goal is education, and these days, a lot of the younger students need a little IT help for their new homeschooling. Anieli Ruiz shows us what the district is doing.
The hotline was made to answer general questions for parents or students about distance learning. See, the school district doesn't have enough laptops for all of the kids, and some of those that do don't know how to use them properly.
Thank you for calling
The hotline opened up this morning at around 8 a.m. and will be open from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. When you call the hotline, they give you an option to speak to an operator in English, Spanish, Vietnamese, and Arabic. You will be placed on hold if the call volume is high. The hotline will remain in place for as long as it's needed to support the at-home mobile education plan and the at-home TV plan. But some students who don't have the technology are doing their work the old-fashioned way, with a pen and paper.
Kids don't have computers, or if they have computers, they don't have internet. They don't know how to do things like uploading assignments and things like that. It's been a real struggle.
HISD said high school students have been issued laptops for years. And since the COVID-19 closure, special education students in lower grades have received priority status. Additional laptops have also been distributed to other middle and elementary school students, but more laptops are still needed. Well, the hotline cannot answer your homework problems. For that, you will need to contact your teacher. I did try calling the hotline this morning and was placed on hold for about 15 minutes. For more details on the distance learning programs, you can visit our website. Anieli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
Thank you, Anna Yeli. A big PPE donation drive just announced in Fort Bend County. Congressman Green, joined by County Judge KP George and Mayors Yolanda Ford and Leonard Scasella. The drive will benefit medical workers and first responders as they fight COVID-19. They're looking for bleach sprays and wipes, eye protection, face shields, masks, gloves, just to name a couple of items. The drive will be this Thursday from 10 to 12 at the Stafford Center. In international headlines, Spain has reopened parts of its pandemic-stricken economy, and some factories and construction staff going back to work with strict safety guidelines. The nation's death toll and infection rate continues to decline. The world, keen to ease a brutal COVID-19-induced recession, is watching. Meanwhile, America's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Fauci, suggesting that a rolling re-entry for part of the U.S. economy could begin in May. We want you to know that KHOU is standing by you through this pandemic. We've got information on the major questions you are asking. You can text any of those keywords on your screen to 713-526-1111 and get information back on those topics. We'll be back after this.